What is going on, YouTube and my fellow Let's Stack community members? How you guys doing today? Silver is sitting at 72, platinum sitting at 2,300, and I want to say gold just broke over 4,500. What are you guys doing? What are you stacking? What do you think about the prices? Leave it down in the comment section, and we're about to unpack a package together again today. And real quick, our first commenter goes to Bootsy353 again. He said, I love the silver bullet and the Liberty round. Thanks for sharing. Thank you for commenting, Bootsy. We love the support. And if you already haven't, everybody, go and comment, go like, go follow, go subscribe, do what you got to do, because I will enter you in the giveaways. Now, back to the videos. Hey, oh, look at this. Isn't this pretty cool? Right, I got some of these from my mom. Her one buddy gave it to her, and she knows I like to collect currency, and then I just thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, let's get back to what we were doing, unpacking these. Now, what do you guys think about the silver price? Do you think it's going to keep going up? Do you think it's going to go down? I think it's going to keep rising steadily. And the only reason I think it's going to keep rising steadily is because you have Samsung doing the new all silver battery. You have China doing the threat against silver, saying out of their refineries they're putting a limit to it on who can get it, how much can get it, and when they can get it. That is going to drive the demand up like crazy. They would rather build the solar panel and sell you the solar panel than give you the internals to make it yourself. And if you know, silver is in a lot of the solar panels, and it's in there quite a bit. You also can't have silver sitting at a low price and have an AI revolutionary boom. If you're going to have the creation of AI, you need a lot of silver to power it. And everyone knows as you take away more and more silver, the price goes up because they're not making more and more of it every single day. I mean, they're refining more and more of it every day. But once you take it and you refine it, that's it. It's done. It's gone. So let's open this bad girl up. Let's see what we got. We have a few different packages coming. Now, we will show prices because they do have the price in here. That's what I like. Okay. So, for the first one that's in here, because there's two in here. Make sure my address. Okay, my address is on the back. There might only be one in here. There should have been two. I will have to get a hold of that guy and figure out why that that did not happen. Oh no, total 2 items right there. Okay, alright. Is my address on here? Yes it is. Be careful showing you guys my address. Anyway, so price on the one was 64. Price on the other one was 63. It just feels like there's only one in here. Or no, yeah, that should have been right. Oh, not both of them are in here. So yeah, 64 on one, 63 on the other. Bought them both under melt. This one is a 1989. It's got a little bit of toning. Silver dollar. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This one, I mean, this one's a little bit beat up. You can see it has finger marks, but this is a 1992. They've definitely was somebody's, let's just put it in my pocket, carry it around type on this one. This one just has really unique toning. That's why I bought it. And I mean, I paid under melt. If you're going to buy silver, you got to pay under melt. I don't know if you guys can see that unique toning in there. And this one's just kind of dirty. You can just tell this was a I'll keep it in my pocket, carry around type of coin for somebody. But I mean, back in 1992, the price you're paying for it, why not? Even that, I'm surprised in 1989, like, I figured that would have been in a pocket as well. I have to go to work here soon, so that's really it all that I got for you. I would stay around and talk more about the silver price and talk more about platinum and gold, but I really don't have any more to say about it, only because I have to get off, and I want you guys to tell me what you think about it down in the comment section. I mean, obviously you have hyperinflation. The inflation isn't going away, especially since now that we decided we'll just pretty much take the limit off of how much we can print and just print away. So we're going to have hyperinary inflation that is going to be insane. But besides inflation, like I said, you have the AI boom that's happening. You have the Samsung battery that's going to be happening. And in 2026, you have China putting a tight stronghold on silver itself. Other than that, I mean, there is about 4 or 5 other things I could go off about. But we're already about 5 minutes into this video, and I got to get ready for work. So go down in that comment section and tell me what you think about silver, gold, platinum. What's a smart investment right now, if you're still stacking right now, or if you're waiting for a price drop. Obviously, I have more packages coming to do more videos for you guys and to keep my stack on going. We just got to keep stacking, because I don't see it really falling too crazy low anytime soon. Because if you would have bought silver 2 days ago, maybe even 3 days ago, you're still up on your investment. That's all I got for you. Let's Stack Metals is out. Peace.